I have a GoPro Hero 8 here. I'm going to show you how to insert the battery as well as the micro SD card. Okay, very, very simple. I already have mine inserted in here. Let me go ahead and take it out. I'm also going to go ahead and format the SD card as well. Okay, so look on your GoPro 8 here, and you can see if it's upside down, you turn it over to the right. You see this like little lip right here. Just pop that up, and then you see this red here indicating that it's unlocked the door. Now you just go ahead and slide it over just like that. Okay. So let me pull the battery out, and the SD card, micro SD card, goes in here. Now the thing that I would personally do is every time you put in the SD card or take it out, it's easier if the battery is actually out. Okay, so anyways, it's out right now, and simply to insert the SD card is you just look down here, and you can see the little slot right there, and simply just place it just like this, and it's spring loaded too. Okay, so there's a little it's springy in there, so if I want to go ahead and insert it, just press all the way down until you hear like a little snap and it's stuck in there. If I wanted to take it out, press in again and let it come out. Okay, now let me go ahead and put the battery in as well. Let me insert the SD card back in again, and let's go ahead and put the battery in, and you can see the batteries, you can see the pins down there inside there, and you can see the pins in here, so it needs to go in like this. Okay, kind of, all right, so let's go ahead and pop this in here, and I just want to show you also, let me pop this in here. You know, it's like I said, it's easier to put the SD card, take it in and out if the battery is out, because if you have it in, it's kind of hard. Okay, I can't get in there. I don't have my fingernails aren't like long enough to get in there. So then, you know, with the battery in there, you have to kind of use something sharp, and maybe even to push it all the way in, you got to use something sharp. So it's always easier to take the battery out. Anyways, we'll go ahead and close this up. So we'll just close it like this, and then make sure it's tight here, and then you want to go ahead and lock it. Just press down right here. And now it's locked. So let's go ahead and fire this up. And next thing we're going to do is go ahead and format the SD card. So I'll go ahead and turn this on. Now we're going to go to preferences. So just like slide down from the top like this, and there's preferences. Tap on that, and now scroll all the way down to the very bottom where it says reset. Tap on reset, and the first one on top, it says format SD card. Tap on that. Format SD card, delete all files and reformat your SD card. Continue, you go ahead and press on format. Remember, it's going to delete all your files, anything that you have on your right now. Okay, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and format it. Give it a second here, and we're done and ready to rock and roll. Pretty simple. Any questions? Comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.